Tom Cloud with this week's Precious Metals Market Update. There's not a whole lot new, but I did want to update since my buy signal at $15.95 3 weeks ago spot. We have seen it rise to $16.45 this morning, a nice 3.5% move. And certainly when I give a buy signal, it's not for the next week or month or 6 months. It's for a trend that we see changing. I was glad to see this week another highly respected analyst, Clive Maud, gave a buy signal on silver and an update on the opportunity in the silver market. You've got to remember, when you have something down around mining cost, the risk is almost nothing. And here we are once again seeing Trump getting ready to go into all these battles on taxes, both corporately and individually, health care bill, and all these things, while meanwhile the world looks at it and the dollar continues to slide. As I speak to you this morning, the dollar's at 94. It's down 6% for the year. Gold should be up 50%, but of course it's not. It's only up like 8 or 9% for the year. It's having a good year, but not a great year so far, as we're nearly 7 months through. But we always know that September and October historically are the best 2 months as a combination when you look at gold and silver. We're still hearing rumbles out of England and Far East that there's going to be a 250-ton purchase of gold somewhere around August the 10th. And we've seen this on King World News and reported on other websites that this is real. It's not a joke. So what you've got to realize is you're closing in on a period that historically gold and silver do great anyway, but you could have this time prices get away from you to where you're going to look back and say, I wish I'd have purchased, but now it's too high. But we don't see that. We see this as the next move up, both in gold and silver. We've talked about the cryptocurrencies. We've talked about gold and silver-backed currencies coming in the next few months. And I'm talking about not one, but at least two that I know of that are being worked on, where gold and silver back your fiat currency and you're out of the FDIC insurance system that only has a few percent to insure all the assets they're insuring. Do you not think smart people are going to move out and move into a gold and silver backed currency? And if it is, of course, there's going to be a lot of gold and silver bought, and it's going to spike prices up, in my opinion, very dramatic. So you look at this, we still have solar panels being bought by China. We still have China importing more gold per month than all the other countries, central banks put together. Everything fundamentally is trending our way. And yet, people sit in the stock market that's at an all-time high risk, as I said last week, selling at 32 to 33 times earnings, where the normal is 15. I'm not telling you to get out of stocks. I'm just telling you to be careful and to diversify and move into things that have low risk, like right now the precious metals. So if you're still looking for a self-directed precious metals IRA, you can check in with us. We can help you get that set up. We can function as your representative and broker, and we'll help you get one of the custodians that's approved to do the paperwork. So if you need us, you can reach us at 800-247-2812. That's 800-247-2812. And I expect we'll have another quiet week or two. We'll keep reporting until we have any earth-shattering news that we think is heading our way as early to mid-August. So hopefully you'll get your questions answered and get this stuff bought while the premiums are still low and the materials available in the U.S. Till next week, this is Tom Cloud signing out.